Wow, look at this weather. It's awful. Yeah, today is a Thursday. Out is off. Look crazy. We have afternoon, heavy rain, non-stop, you can say. You can't even see sky, you cannot even see road when you're driving. So it's definitely don't look good for fun. It looks good to sit home, drink hot tea, watch TV, and relax. This is what I can tell. Valentina, you're a realtor and you travel agent all the way from Palm Beach, Florida. You can't even see anything in the sky. It's absolutely gray, gray, gray. You can't even see building next to you. Look at this noise. Wow. Thunder. Crazy. By the way, New York is only 40 today, very cold. So we are 75, but heavy, heavy rain. Anyway, right now, because you cannot drive, relax, sit home, check your website. Check Valentina's website, www.luxstylepb.com. And if you're looking to move in Florida, you're looking to buy, sell, relocation, call me 561-335-9459. And Valentina's website available for you 24/7. www.luxstylepb.com.